snack? Yeah, you do? Yeah, you snack. Oh, it didn't go? It didn't go in? Okay. Just lost the dog on camera. Rima would have been back there. Should I give him a wafer? I should? You should give him more wafer? Okay, here. Uh-oh. Lost it. There you go. Okay, 1 second. 1 second, guys.
No snacking.
He's got a snack in his hand, too. Is that good? Oh, you like talking while you're eating? What are you doing? Ah, are you happy? You happy? Oh, you happy? Really? You're eating? What's Ronnie eating, y'all? What's Ronnie eating? Is Ronnie eating wafers too? No, so you're eating stars, huh? Just one wafer, that's all. You already have 2. One more, Ronnie, you want more? You want more, Ronnie? You have a wafer. You can't go wafer and cracker.
Good morning. Me. Hey, Mommy.
You made it. What one? Is your finger looking good? Really? No more? Uh-oh. Get it. You got it in there. I'll be your mommy's cracker. Drooling. How was that cracker? I mean, how was that puff? Was that a yummy puff? What you guys eating? Cracker? Nana, what you eating? Wafers? Are they good? Are they good? What was all that screaming about? Because the camera wasn't on you? Do you have to scream like that? What? You have to scream that way? Now you got a poopy? What's going on? What's going on? You can't have the camera. You want to tell the people something? Tell the people how you feel. Tell them what's on your mind. Oh, okay. You tell me you want to grab the camera and eat it all up? Okay, we'll say adios, amigos. No. Give me this back. You can't eat the people. Oh, life is tough? Oh, it's tough. It's rough, huh? Oh, it is? It's hard? You had a long day? Alright, you'll survive. Say bye. Wave bye. Night-night. Wave bye. No, sweet girl. See that? See that? He stops crying when he gets a piece of the camera back that he wants to eat. Little crazy kid. Peace out, everybody. Love y'all.
Bye, y'all.